Hey, what's going on everybody? Want to do a quick unboxing for you on the Smartmi A1 robot vacuum and mop. This is made specifically for hard floors, and this could be a game changer. This might be the best mop on the market. Hopefully when I'm done with all my testing and reviews, I can highly recommend this to you guys. It's got everything that I think a mop should have, and I think it's going to be really good. Biggest thing for me is got Lidar. It's going to be really good at navigating. You can tell it to go clean a specific spill in a specific room. It holds a ton of water. It sucks up any dirty water, so it's not dragging around a mop pad like every other robot vacuum on the market. And it will return to the docking station to recharge itself and resume if necessary. Now, what's really cool about this as well is when it's done cleaning, it will back up on this dock and automatically clean the roller, so you don't ever have to worry about cleaning the roller, which is really cool. So this is very high tech. Most robot vacuums, when they clean up a spot, say you drop an egg and you send a robot to clean it, that egg is just going to be basically on the pad of any robot vacuum mop, and it's just going to drag that around the entire room until it goes back and either is just done with the job or cleans itself off with some of the self-empty bin robot vacuums on the market that automatically clean. But this guy, if you set down an egg, it is going to run it over and suck up that egg along with the water that it's putting down, and it's going to contain the egg and any other mess inside of a water reservoir that you can empty out later. So it's really cool. I think this is going to be really, really good. I'm excited to try it out. So let's real quickly show you what's in the box, and then I will be doing a full review on this. This is currently on Indiegogo. You can get this for a discounted price right now. The retail price of this after this campaign is going to be $899. So pretty pricey, but if it is the best robot mop on the market, it might be worth it. Right now, I believe you can get it for $4.99 if you do a pre-order. So at $4.99, it's probably going to be a really good deal, but I have not tested this at all myself. But from the videos I have seen, it looks like it's going to be really, really good. It even comes with a cute little panda sticker that if you want, you stick it right there and you have a cute panda driving around, which I think is really cool. I do love the white look of this, and it's almost like I probably have my shape wrong here, but an octagon, and I just love the shape. So it's classified as a D-shaped robot vacuum mop, so it's a little bit better at getting into the corners than a traditional round robot mop. Does come with a power cable, of course, an extra filter, and then this you drop in if you just want to send it out to vacuum rather than mop as well. In here, it does come with an extra roller, which is really nice, and then a scrub brush to get inside of the water tanks and clean it. Let's up here real quick. Here is the giant water tank. One piece that comes out. This is going to be your clean water tank on top. I believe it's 600 milliliters. And this is going to be the dirty tank. And once it's done, you just literally dump this into either your sink or toilet or however you typically will get rid of wastewater. It's a very cool design. I love that it has Lidar. There has been something similar to this on the market that was made by iLife, but it did not have the Lidar. It did not automatically return to the dock to recharge. It did not self-clean the roller, so this is much high tech than that. And I'm pretty excited to try this out. I think it is a really, really cool, good looking robot. And if you have a lot of hard floors in your house, this might be the robot mop for you. Here's the underneath. Definitely has some very grippy tires so it won't slip when it's wet. Here's the roller. A couple of additional rollers here to help it get onto the stocking plate and recharge. And then this will back up onto the plate and automatically clean this roller with this part here. So it'll basically kind of flood this with water. It'll spin really quickly, and then the vacuuming port will suck up the water here. And that helps with mildew or any type of mold that could potentially grow. And it'll also help with its stinking. And then there's also a heated dry feature, so it will dry this as well. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Once again, there will be a full review on this. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see this first, and I will give you my honest opinion. I think it's going to be really good, but who knows? Let me also know in the comments when I do the review video, do you want me to keep it plain white like this or go ahead and throw on the cute little panda? And I think that definitely gives us some very unique character. I think it's pretty awesome, to be honest, that they include something like this. I wish other robots would include some sort of decal or something just to kind of make it unique from everything else. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to see on this guy, or if you have any other questions. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.